Need a compact tool that handles hammering, gripping, cutting, and measuring? Check out this all-in-one high-carbon steel hammer combo, 4 tools in 1. It features a hammerhead, built-in pliers, a utility knife, and a retractable tape measure. Made from durable high-carbon steel with a rubberized grip, it's tough enough for real jobs. Perfect for quick fixes around the house, in the workshop, or to keep in your car or backpack. Saves space and ensures you're always prepared. Choose from different sizes and colors to match your needs. It's an affordable, clever solution for DIYers, campers, or anyone who values practicality. Ready to grab one tool that does it all? Check the link in the description below to pick your size and buy this multi-tool now. Thanks for watching, and fix smarter, not harder.